Well, good afternoon, everybody. TGIF and a happy Friday to you. Sorry. Jason and I are back on the home lake again this afternoon. We had such a good day the other day, we've decided to go ahead and try again. So anyways, we're going to get out here and see what we can get done. Well, most likely going to be throwing a lot of plastics again, so we're going to go ahead and go with that. And you know, I'm actually going to maybe talk about some bait here in a minute, or some lures. But anyway, we're going to get out here, get to work. It's hot and it's very windy today, so hopefully it'll pay off for us. But anyway, we're going to get out here and we'll see y'all in a little bit and check in. Yeah, dog, yes sir. Yes sir. Didn't take no time, did it? Alright guys, that's Jason's like third cast probably. He's already got it. Boom! Good fish, bud.
I threw back in the same spot, so it was a bite.
Oh yeah, so he nipped it the first time then. Yeah. Now I tell you what, that's a good way to start any fishing trip right there. Good job, bud.
He's got the black spots.
He's fresh. Crazy fish. Woohoo! Heck yeah. Got some fishes over here. Oh, did he jump out?
He almost buried a hook in my hand.
Oh. Hey, good job, man. On the underspin. Nice. Congratulations. Daggum underspin. Oh, it's Sandy's. Hey, that'll work though.
You know what I did?
What's that?
Reeling it like that, I stopped it. When I went to reel, he boom.
Yeah, as it floats up and then they pop it. I like what you said the other day about you like your prize. Darn monkey.
Now he's stepping on my face.
Yeah, really. Can you please get me out of here? All right, there we go. Nice little crankbait bass. Oh. All right, so. Oh, okay. Let me try that again and see. Yeah, so earlier, I never did talk about any baits like I said I was going to. And the reason is because I ain't caught a whole lot. So just to be real honest with you folks, Jason's been tearing them up on the plastics today. So that's what we were throwing for the majority. Jason also made a good call on the underspin. So that we produced some fish on that too. But anyway, so now what we're going to try to do with this wind coming in the way it is on these bank lines, I'm hoping this crankbait will keep producing a good bite. So anyway, we're going to roll with that for a minute and see what happens. But hopefully I catch me another one right here. Damn, look at the size of that sand bass. Hey! Look at that. Doggone. Well, these big old sand bass like that crazy. Heck yeah, right off the rock there, bro. I swear. There we go. Yep, that's a daggum chunk. Oh yeah. Woo, man. Golly. Yeah, why? Oh yeah. Yeah, that's what I said. Oh my gosh. Let me let you get it under control before I try to net it. Oh my. Yeah. Wow. Oh, you got pliers?
Yeah, that's what I
Oh.
trying to point.
Oh, I'm sorry. I was just overwhelmed by that behemoth of a fish. Get that football a drink. That fish has got some shoulders, boy.
I'm afraid to give him a drink. Afraid he's gonna come off. Will you get my scale out?
Yeah.
$5.75.
5 3/4. Oh, nice.
Surprised the hell out of me. I felt the tick and I set the hook and it went ring.
Yoink.
Oh, he's already biting down on me.
Mm-hmm. Oh man, look at that little sucker. Look at that hog.
Dude,
Cool.
that's a 5-pounder.
Yeah, it is.
If it ain't 5, it's close. It ain't my fish, is it?
I don't know. Has he got bottom of his tail missing?
Got him?
Well, nearly. Dadgum, dude, that looks like a big old male too. Oh, dude, that felt good. I needed that. Look at that fish.
Alright, hanging. Wall hanger.
How's it hanging? Oh, he's biting me. You got him? Let's see what you got. 5.48.
So that's a 5.5 pounder.
Mm-hmm.
5.51.
551?
5.51. 5.5. You got him?
Yes, sir. Thank you, Jay.
Yep.
Oh, yes. Thank you, fish. Good old summer evening Gallente right there. All right, guys. Whew. Let's let this guy go. There you go, buddy. Get back to it, friend. Okay, so I think it's going to be safe now to explain the lure. Which is what I was talking about at the front of the video, guys. Yeah, top secret time. Alright, so in the summertime, you know, we throw a lot of plastics down here in Texas. But sometimes during these really hot times of the months and stuff, a lot of action seems to be pretty key. So, you know, we usually throw a lot of worms and things like that, but, you know, I've always been a big fan of the brush hog. But this little guy right here, which Jason's caught some good fish in these past couple of videos on brush hogs. But this little guy right here is what's called a man bear pig. This is a Reaction Innovations lure, and it's got these little backwards facing ribs on it that displaces a lot of water as it moves through. So if it's in their zone, they're going to detect it and they're going to bite it. And it's no joke. I just put that lure on and threw it and caught that fish. I mean, it gets them. And plus, this one's dark. The water clarity here is not very clear, so this one's dark, so it puts off a really nice silhouette as well. But anyway, guys, you know, we don't really talk about our lures very much. I just thought I'd do that. But anyway, let's see if we can clean up house on down this bank line and finish our evening. We'll check back in a little bit. Alright guys, well, we're going to call that an end to our evening. So, a hard day in really windy conditions. Paid off in some places, other places, man, they just didn't want nothing to do with it. Little dinks coming up. And then my boy here slams a 5 3/4, and then we get a 5 1/2 about 40 yards away from it. And that just made our day. So anyway guys, thank y'all for watching. We're going to come back and give you another adventure soon. And I guess we'll see you next time.